Here we have a setup to determine how much a putt actually breaks with the wind. We've set up these wind machines, and we've actually have a device that's measured this close to 26, 27 miles an hour of crosswind that we have here. Now here we have a straight putt. It's a fast putt downhill, and it's straight. It reminds me of putting in the wind at the British Open.
Tom Watson now for his par to stay in a share of the lead. Get in there, Tom. How about that? My goodness, hasn't the putter worked well over the last few days? A couple of bombs yesterday afternoon.
Now I'm going to putt this putt first, show you that it's a straight putt. Now we're going to turn the fans on and see what happens to that putt. It breaks offline a lot, doesn't it? Now, you can play this putt and play it aggressively by taking the break out by hitting it harder. Like that. But if you should miss it on a downhill putt like this, now look what you have left. To play this putt with the proper speed, I'm going to aim it right there. That's how much break you have to play in a crosswind. Now, one of the things I do when I'm putting in the wind is a tip that I learned from George Archer. Instead of having a normal width position with your feet like this, widen your feet a little bit and then bow your legs out like this. This will help you stay very, very still with your lower body so that your upper body won't be moving quite as much. What happens in the wind is that it buffets us all the time, and we're always shaking like this. By moving your legs out like this, you can establish a firmer foundation and stay more still over the ball. Widen the stance, bow the legs. Success. Now we've moved back from a 3-foot putt to a 6-foot putt. This again is a straight putt. Let's see if I can make it. All right, boys, turn on the fans. And don't forget, we have a 26-mile-an-hour crosswind right here. We have a fast, straight breaking downhill putt. But with the wind 26 miles an hour across, we're going to have to play a lot more break. And remember the 3-foot putt, I had to play that much break. With this 6-foot putt, I'm going to have to play out to there. Ooh, still just barely lipped in. But now you see the effect on the 6-foot putt. I had to play 12 inches of break with a 26-mile-an-hour crosswind on a 6-foot straight downhill putt. Widen your feet a little bit and then bow your legs out. By moving your legs out, you can establish a firmer foundation and stay more still over the ball. But with the wind 26 miles an hour across, we're going to have to play a lot more break.